pancake in a microwave. Do you find it strange? But it's quite easy. This one is zero oil pancake. This is also known as chilla. This has been made with makai ka atta or cornmeal flour. Cornmeal is gluten free and it's very delicious. Can you guess how much time it took in the microwave to cook this pancake? Look at it, how it looks and how firm the structure is. No oil has been used even in the plate. This is the basic pancake mixture which is made with makai atta, carrots, onion, ginger, green chilies, coriander leaves and the seasonal raw mango pieces. I have also added eggs and water to make a thick mixture. While you can make this pancake on a griddle or tawa, which will make it moist, soft and very delicious as well, you can also make it in the microwave where you can make it absolutely oil-free. It is the same mixture where you can make it in both ways. Simply just drop it into a microwave-safe bowl or plate and just spread it evenly. At this point, you can also add a little oil or grease the plate and then you can drop the mixture. But I have not added any oil to it. So now it's time to microwave. I am using my LG Solo microwave. This is 30 liters and this is the first time I will be making chilla in it. And let's see how much time it will take. For the first time, I have given 1.5 minutes. I will check in between so that it does not burn because this is the first time I will be doing it. Visually, you can see it is still wet. It needs more time to get set. Inserting a sharp knife will ensure that whether it comes out clean, that means it is done. Since it is not yet set, I will give another minute to continue further. Once you get used to making this, you will know the actual timing. Since I am also doing it for the first time, I am not sure how much time it could take. So do it by a minute and get your instincts right. And once you make the perfect one, you will know the total timing of the dish according to your quantity. The timing will also differ on the thickness of the dish what you are making. So in this pancake, I have used 1 cup of cornmeal and accordingly I have used 2 eggs. You can also make it eggless. Since this is a gluten-free flour, you can add chia seeds into it so that it will give a binding instead of eggs. In between, I had added another minute and the total timing till now is 3.5 minutes and now it is perfect. The knife is coming out clean. You can also check the sides where it is leaving the plate. That is a sign that it is done. Just ensure before you remove it totally from the microwave and see the perfect one. Zero oil pancake or chilla. You can see how it looks. It is stuck in the bottom of the plate since I had not added any oil. Here, if you would have greased it, it would have come out more properly. But still, if you want to have a zero oil recipe, this one is for you. Microwave cooking is a greatest rescue, particularly during the summers, and also you can eliminate the use of non-stick cookware. This is the best, healthiest way you can ever have oil-free food in a very less time. Cooking a zero oil recipe with full of flavors, that is much more important so that you can continue your intake of zero oil recipes. Here the mango pieces adds an extra flavor and enhances the experience. What about yours? Do comment me how you like this recipe. Do hit the subscribe button for more such interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.